On the golden back of the ancient plain, under the fire of the sun's bright flame, little Echo walked with a heavy heart beside Mama Jamili from the very start. Through the dust and the bones of the acacia trees, through the whispering wind and the trembling leaves, he followed the path of the old herd song to the promised land where they all belong.
Oh, the earth remembers every cry, every fallen giant, every goodbye. In the silence where his father stood, Echo learned to be brave and good. Echo, echo, child of the drum, hear the call of the wild to come.
Through the fear, through the night, through the burning land,
you'll find your way by the matriarch's hand. Echo, echo, let your voice be strong. The savannah will carry your song.
When the dark winds rise and the shadows fall,
let the elephants answer the call.
Auntie Masha, old and wise, held the storms of years in her eyes. Tusk like moonlight, steps like rain, she knew every river, every trail, every pain. Though their eyes could not see so far, they could smell the storm, hear danger scar. Low songs rolled beneath the ground, guiding the herd by the infrasound.
Oh, the night was sharp with the scent of men, and the ghosts of lost came back again. With thunder feet and hearts aflame, the herd ran hard through fear and shame. Echo, echo, child of the drum, hear the call of the wild to come.
Through the fear, through the night, through the burning land,
you will find your way by the matriarch's hand. Echo, echo, let your voice be strong. The savannah will carry your song.
When the dark winds rise and the shadows fall,
let the elephants answer the call.
Moonlight broke on the hunter's steel, jeep wheels chasing with a cruel will. Then from the bush came a boy so brave, Jabari stood where others would cave. He threw fire into the jaws of night, and the flames danced fierce in the poacher's sight. The jeep swerved wild and the herd broke free, saved by courage and destiny.
Eye to eye, fear to fear, Echo saw a brother standing near. Not by blood, not by name, but by survival. They were the same, and the stars looked down on the sleeping ground, while the distant dark still held its sound. But hope was alive in the hearts that stayed in the past the brave ones made.
Then came laughter in the dust one day, where little Zuka had lost his way. A lion cub and an elephant child running together through the wild, chasing butterflies, kicking the sand, learning peace that few understand. Even in a land of tooth and fight, friendship bloomed in the golden light. But danger waits where the tall grass leans, silent and fierce in the hidden green. Jabari wandered too far alone, and a lion rose with a thunder groan. Echo saw and he raised his cry, a trumpet tearing across the sky. The lion has come. Through the tears, through the loss, through the wounded land, you became the strength you did not understand.
Echo, echo,
Let your spirit run beneath the moon and the burning sun, for the broken hearts and the fallen all. Let the elephants answer the call.
Across the savannah, the old song rolls through ancient dust and living souls.